Hi, my name is Jay Grams. I am a co-owner here at the Volo Auto Museum, family business. I've been buying the cars for 20, 30 years now. This one just came in. It's a 72 Corvette. I'm going to go around and show you the car. We're going to start it up. So stick with us and we'll treat you to a beautiful Corvette Roadster here. It's a 1972, numbers match 350, 4-speed number match, factory blue car, blue interior. It comes with a nice binder of documentation. It's had a body off the frame restoration, and there's photos which will be posted on our website, volocars.com, showing the car, being restored, showing the chassis. And yeah, let's show you the car. Beautiful blue Roadster. I love that dark blue on any car. It looks great. Look at the trim on the wheels. They're 15x8 rallies. Must be new trim. It's all sparkling. The paint is gorgeous. It's got blue leather interior. Like I said, a 4-speed. Has power steering, power disc brakes. There's discs at all 4 wheels. Black convertible top in really nice shape. Chrome sparkles, looks like it's new. The taillight lenses, emblems, all look real good. That's the correct antenna. I'm not seeing any stress cracks or issues. All looks real nice. The gaps are real nice. Tilt telescopic wheel. So it's not one of those #1 concourse condition cars, but it's a frame-off restoration. Get in and drive. It's turnkey, and it still looks really good. And go to volocars.com. You'll see all the pictures of the underside and the motor compartment. But it looks like it's restored stock. Has the correct air cleaner, correct fan and shroud, even GM hoses. Has the ignition shielding over the distributor. All right, we'll fire this thing up. Hear what it sounds like. Runs smooth. Sounds like a stock rebuild. Gauges seem to be working, with the exception of the clock, which is only right twice a day. But everything in here is stock, even the radio. The radio does work. Headlight doors open. So what you've got is a blue on blue, numbers match, 4-speed Roadster. It's been body off the frame restored. See these in red all the time. I think the blue, like I said earlier, is gorgeous, but it's going to make it unique. If this was sitting at a car show, I'd have to stop and look at it. If it was another red one, I might walk right by it. So this car is for sale. Go to volocars.com, get all the specs, see all the pictures, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're putting cool cars like this on all the time.